we're going to actually start building this vermicomposting unit. But first there's a few things that you'll need. One is tap fitting. Now, I just got this one online on eBay, but I'm not satisfied with the size of the hose outlet because it's kind of silly having something that small when you can have an outlet that big, or even an outlet that big. So I'll fix that later at a later date, but like 90% of the people in this world, I don't have a lot of money. As you can see, I've already leveled off the area. So I got the excavator out and leveled it off, luckily. The neighbour was kind enough to lend me. Need is some screening mesh. Now, basically anything that's plastic pretty much should work, really. You want it not too fine, but relatively fine. So see if we can actually get a better image there. Show you how it is. Focus. But yeah, anyway, if you can kind of see it. But basically you want relatively fine, basically so it won't block up, large particles won't block the actual system when things are actually like breaking down. And then, so that'll go on the very bottom, right? And then I've just got some blue metal. Oh, how about we do it the right way around? So it's just some blue metal. A couple of bags of that. Hopefully we'll cover enough of the bottom. You probably want, let's use imperial, I guess, say 2 inches covering the ground. Now they say hindsight's 20/20, and in this case it is, because I dug a temporary hole for that pipe that I diverted to run down in. I kind of regret it now because it's a pain sort of stepping around it, and we had a shower in the unit last night just to see how it went. And yeah, it's kind of annoying, but anyway, so we got to cut an access point into the actual container. So I've got it marked out here, so I'll get it cracking on that and take it from there. So you have to excuse me, I've got a bit of a head cold at the moment, so, but yeah, here we go. bars and hold it open while I do stuff, basically. So, yeah, yeah, I kind of got lucky on that one, but anyway, you might want to organise to have a little bit of floor on it. It's up to you. Look, they're designed to actually drain out the bottom anyway, so you know it's no huge problem. It's hard to get it kind of perfect. There's so many warps in the metal, in the rail, and everything like that. But it's just something to consider when you actually do it. So keep that in mind. Now I've just deburred the edges, not a lot, just enough so I'm not going to get scratched up, because lucky me, he has to get in there to line the entire bottom now. Technically you're only supposed to line that bit, but I want to line the entire amount. Basically it just gives you a bit of a fail safe, you know.